Welcome to Stream Refinery. I'm Veronica, and I created this real-time data cleaning pipeline designed to handle messy streams instantly. On the left, you see raw data flowing in with typos and inconsistent formatting. On the right, powered by Google's Gemini 2.5 AI model, we see the same data enriched and standardized in sub-second time. How does it work? The system uses Confluent Cloud for event streaming. The Python backend consumes the raw topics, sends them to Gemini for intelligent processing, and produces the clean data back. Here you can see the backend services running live in the terminal. To validate the pipeline, let's look at Confluent Cloud. Here is the raw data topic receiving the messy input. And here is the clean data topic populated with the AI-processed results. Finally, in the Google Cloud Console, we can confirm the real-time API calls being made to the Gemini model, matching the data flow we just watched. Stream Refinery ensures your data lake remains clean, automatically and in real time. Thank you.